In today's video, I will walk you through how to enter starting conversion balances in Xero. To begin, look toward the top of your screen and click on the Accounting tab. A drop-down menu will appear with several options available. From this menu, select Accounting Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your accounting settings and prepare your financial information. Once you're on the Accounting Settings page, find and select Conversion Balances. This is the section where you'll enter the financial balances that will serve as the starting point for your records in Xero. Here, you'll be setting the financial baseline that your future transactions will build from. The next step is to enter your conversion date. This is the date that represents the point where your financial records move into Xero from your previous accounting records. Choose this date carefully because it will be used as the reference point for your balances and future transactions. After you've decided on the correct date, enter it into the conversion date field. With the conversion date in place, you can begin entering your balances. Fill in all the required balances from your previous accounting records. This may include accounts receivable, accounts payable, bank balances, and any other balances that apply to your business as of the conversion date. Enter each amount carefully to make sure it matches your existing financial records. As you complete each balance, continue reviewing your entries to make sure everything has been entered correctly. Taking a moment to check your figures before saving can help prevent errors in your financial records later. Once all of the required balances have been entered, review everything one final time. Confirm that the conversion date is correct and that each balance matches your records. When you're satisfied that everything is accurate, click Save. This records your starting conversion balances and sets them as the financial starting point for your Xero account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you complete the process with confidence. Please like and subscribe.